Ngokusho kukaNgqongqoshe, I-Mozambique izohlinzeka eNingizimu Afrika ngamandla ogesi angu-100 megawatts, bese kuthi ezinyangeni eziyisithupha ezizayo iphinde ithole amanye futhi ama-megawatts angu-600.
They were able to confirm to us that the 100 megawatts is immediately available to us, and of course in the 6 months time we could have an additional 600 megawatts.
Kodwa-ke umbuzo uthi, ingabe konke lokhu kuzodla malini emnothweni wakuleli othwele kanzima?
It's a conversation, Eskom and the Eskom equivalent. But all that we can tell you that this will not cost to what it's costing us to burn the diesel that we are burning.
I-Mozambique iphinde yaveza ukuthi imeme iNingizimu Afrika ekutheni ibambe iqhaza ezinhlelweni zayo zokuphehla ugesi ngendlela enganukubezi imvelo ezizohambisana kakhulu nohlelo lwakulelizwe i-Just Energy Transition Plan.
We have new projects that are being developed that we believe, and we have invited the government of South Africa and different actors and entities from South Africa to participate, which is in Panangua.
uRamaphosa uzwakalisa ukuthi bazophinde babhunge nangesikweletu seMozambique ezingamabhiliyoni amarandi esikweletu lelizwe uma sebebhala phansi isabelomali salolu hlelo. Ezindabeni zethu kumzansi wethu Channel 163 ozethulelwa yi-Newsroom Africa ku Channel 405 nginguziyanda Ngcobo ngibika ngisepitoli.